Good afternoon, student. Today we are going to learn the dominance method. First, we see the rule of dominance method. First rule is for deleting the row which contains smallest element as compared to other row. Means जो रो में smallest element है वो रो को क्या करना है आपको delete करना है. And second rule is for deleting the column which contain largest element as compared to other column. जो कॉलम में लार्ज एलिमेंट है वो कॉलम को आपको डिलीट करना है. तो फर्स्ट सी द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ डोमिनेंस मेथड एंड प्रॉब्लम इज अ फॉर्म कंपेनिंग अंडर द कंडीशन सो देयर इज अ one form gain is other and form loss. A payoff matrix is given by form A, form B and form A में है A1, A2, A3 थ्री प्लेयर है और फॉर्म बी में है नो एड, मीडियम एड एंड हेवी एड मीन्स B1, B2, B3 और फर्स्ट रो है इसका 10, 5, -2 एंड सेकेंड रो इज 13, 12, 15 and third row is 16, 14, 10 and suggest the optimum strategy for to form and net outcome of the payoff matrix. Net outcome means game value of this matrix. Then first write the solution. The given payoff matrix is, write the given payoff matrix, that is A1, A player A, A1, A2, A3 and player B, that is the no add, medium add, heavy add, that right here B1, B2, B3 and first row element is 10, 5, -2, second 13, 12, 15 and third 16, 14, 10. आपने पहले ही रूल देखे, जो कॉलम के लार्जेस्ट एलिमेंट है वो कॉलम डिलीट करते हैं और जो रो के एलिमेंट स्मॉल है वो रो डिलीट करते. तो इस प्रॉब्लम में देखो फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या है 10, 13 और 16 ये तीनों भी एलिमेंट फर्स्ट कॉलम के सेकंड कॉलम से ग्रेटर है. Here clearly the first column is dominated by second column because first column के element greater है and as all the element of the first column are greater than the element of the second column, thus eliminating the first column we get. अब ये जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है ये एलिमेंट करके आपको क्या कौन सी पे ऑफ मैट्रिक्स मिलती है, तो ये मिलती है 3 row A1, A2, A3 and 2 B1 कॉलम डिलीट होगा और यहाँ में रहेगा B2, B3. Then first row is 5, -2, 12, 15 and third row is 14, 10. Here we see that the first row में के एलिमेंट है 5, -2 और सेकंड के क्या है 12 और 15. तो फर्स्ट रो इज डोमिनेट बाय सेकंड एंड थर्ड से भी ज्यादा है, सेकंड में से भी ज्यादा है. अगर दोनों में से ये ज्यादा नहीं है, एक ही से ज्यादा है तो भी आप डोमिनेट कर सकते. तो हियर फर्स्ट रो इज डोमिनेट बाय सेकंड एंड थर्ड रो बिकॉज all the element of first row are less than or equal to the element of second and third row respectively, and thus the deleting the first row we get 2 by 2 payoff matrix, that is A1 जो रो है फर्स्ट वाला वो डिलीट होगा तो आपको कौन सा रहेगा A2, A3 and here B2, B3, 2 column and 2 row. Then payoff matrix is 12, 15, 14, 10. This is the 2 by 2 payoff matrix. Then 2 by 2 payoff matrix is solved by using mixed strategy method. First we find the maximin and minimax. Maximin means रो मिनिमा, तो पहले रो में मिनिमम एलिमेंट 12, सेकंड में मिनिमम एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट रो में मिनिमम एलिमेंट 12, सेकंड में 10, और इस दोनों में से मैक्सिमम 12, देयरफॉर हियर 12 को बॉक्स किया। एंड देन फर्स्ट कॉलम का मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट 14, सेकंड का 15, इसमें जो मिनिमम है वो है 14। एंड हियर वी सी दैट मैक्सिमिन इज नॉट इक्वल टू मिनिमैक्स, row minima is not equal to column maxima, and here mu v lower bar is not equal to v upper bar, and the problem has no saddle point, and we solve by the mixed strategy method. Then the optimum solution for mixed strategy method is strategy for row SA is equal to A में कितने रो है 3 है, therefore A1 A2 A3, and strategy for this row is P1 P2 P3, and SB 3 column है, therefore here SB is equal to B1 B2 B3, and strategy for this column is Q1 Q2 Q3। तो ये 2x2 मैट्रिक्स जो है इसमें देखो फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट हुआ है B1 और फर्स्ट रो डिलीट हो गया है A1, देयरफॉर फर्स्ट रो की स्ट्रेटजी P1 is equal to 0 and here Q1 is equal to 0 because B1 and A1 are deleted by dominance method. Therefore, here P1 plus P2 plus P3 is equal to 0, but A1 row is deleted, therefore here P1 is equal to 0. And here Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to 1, but first column is deleted, therefore Q1 is equal to 0. Then by using mixed strategy method, find the value of P2. P2 की वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, A22 माइनस A21 अपॉन A11 प्लस A22 minus A12 plus A21. Then put the value here. A22 is equal to 10. A21 is equal to 14. Then A11 plus A22 means 12 plus 10 and minus A12 plus A21, that is 15 plus 14. Put this value in P2. 10 minus 14 upon 12 plus 10 minus 14 plus 15. Then here minus 4 and here 22 minus 29, that is equal to minus 4 minus 7 and minus cut. Then here we get P2 is equal to 4 by 7. Then find the P3. P3 is equal to 1 minus P2. And then 1 minus 4 by 7, that is equal to 3 by 7. This is the strategy for A3 column, A3 row, that is P3. Then Q2. Q2 के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है, A22 minus A12 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. And here A22 is equal to 10 and A12 is equal to 15. 10 minus 15 upon नीचे का जो है वही रहेगा, and that is equal to minus 5 upon minus 7, minus cut, and that is 5 by 7. Then Q3 is equal to 1 minus Q2. Putting the value of Q2, 1 minus 5 by 7, that is equal to 2 by 7. Then value of gain is equal to P is equal to formula क्या है, A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. नीचे का सेम रहेगा, लेकिन यहाँ A1 A22 into A11 10 into 12, that is equal to 120 minus 14 into 15, that is 210. And subtraction of this is minus 90, and addition of new denominator is minus 7, minus cut, and value of gain V is equal to 19 by 7. Then write the optimum strategy for player A and B. Optimum strategy for player A is S of A, that is equal to A1, A2, A3. पहले A1 रो डिलीट हो गया, इसलिए यहाँ P1 की वैल्यू क्या है 0, ये निकाली है आपने 4/7 और A3 के है 3/7 एंड SB इज इक्वल टू B1, B2, B3. आपने पहले Q1 की वैल्यू निकाली थी, वो कितनी है 0, क्योंकि फर्स्ट कॉलम डिलीट हो गए थे. Therefore here 0, B2 is equal to 5/7 and B3 is equal to 2/7, and then V is equal to game value, that is equal to 19/7. Then we see the second problem of dominance method, that is example second, reduce the following game by using dominance method. Here write the problem, player A, player B. Player A में 3 rows है, therefore here A1, A2, A3, and player B में 3 column है, therefore here B1, B2, B3, and first row is -1, -2, 8, second row is 7, 5, -1, and third row is 6, 0, 12. Then given payoff matrix, first write the given payoff matrix as it is, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, -1, -2, 8, 7, 5, -1, 6, 0, 12. We see that the first column is dominated by second column because फर्स्ट कॉलम के एलिमेंट क्या है, ग्रेटर है सेकंड कॉलम से. कॉलम कौन सा डोमिनेट करना है कि जिस कॉलम के एलिमेंट ग्रेटर है. तो यहाँ देखो फर्स्ट कॉलम के एलिमेंट है -1, 7 और 6, और सेकंड के है -2, 5 और 0. 0 से भी 6 ग्रेटर है, 5 से भी 7 ग्रेटर है, -2 से ग्रेटर -1. Therefore here write clearly the first column dominate by second column because all the element of first column is greater than the element of second column. So therefore we delete the first column and then we get the matrix A1, A2, A3. First column delete हो गया B1, therefore here write the B2, B3. Then first row के एलिमेंट है -2, 8, सेकंड के है 5, -1, और थर्ड रो के है 0, 12. Then we see that in this matrix the first row के एलिमेंट देखो -2 है, 8 है, और सेकंड रो का 5 और माइनस है. 5 से ये छोटा है लेकिन -1 से ये बड़ा है, therefore not dominated by first row is not dominated by second row. Then देखो थर्ड का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है रो का 0, 0 से ये -2 ग्रेटर स्मॉल है, और 12 से 8 भी स्मॉल है. Therefore here the first row is dominated by the third row because all the element of first row are less than the element of third row. So therefore we eliminate the first row and then we get the payoff matrix. A1 is delete and then we get A2, A3, B2, B3, and here 5, -1, 0, 12. Then we calculate the row minima, column maxima, और row minima को दूसरा नेम क्या है मैक्सिमिन, और कॉलम मैक्सिमा को दूसरा नेम है मिनिमैक्स. तो मैक्सिमिन एंड मिनिमैक्स फाइंड करो. तो फर्स्ट रो में मिनिमम एलिमेंट है -1 और सेकंड रो में 0. इसमें से मैक्सिमम कौन सा है 0. therefore here draw box for 0. एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट मैक्सिमम 5, सेकंड का 12, इसमें से स्मॉल 5. Here we see that the maximum is not equal to minimax. Means V lower bar is not equal to V upper bar, Hence, the given game has no saddle point. And we saw solve this problem by mixed strategy method. Then write the optimum solution for player A and player B. That is S of A. कितने रो है? 3 रो है. Therefore here A1, A2, A3 is A1, A2, A3, and strategy for A1 is P1, A2 is P2, and A3 is P3. And S of B, and here column 3 है, therefore here write B1, B2, B3, and strategy for first column is Q1, second ki Q2, or third ki Q3. Then we know the condition P1 plus P2 plus P3 is equal to 1, and Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 is equal to also 1. But here A1 and B1 are delete. Therefore, the strategy for P1, A1 की strategy P1 is equal to 0, and B1 की strategy Q1 is equal to 0. Then again use the formula P22 is equal to A22 minus A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Then from this matrix, A22 means 12 minus 0 upon 5 plus 12 minus 0 plus minus 1. Then we get 12 minus 0 upon 5 plus 12 minus 0 plus minus 1, that is 12 upon 17 plus 1, 12 by 18 is equal to 2 by 3. Divide this two number by 6. Then we get 2 by 3. P2 is equal to 2 by 3. Then P3 is equal to 1 minus P2. Then 1 minus 2 by 3, that is equal to 1 by 3. Here P3 is equal to 1 by 3. Then find Q2. Q2 is equal to, again write the formula A22 minus A12 upon A22 plus A11 minus A21 plus A12 plus A21. And then A2 is equal to 2 is equal to 12 minus A12 is equal to minus 1 minus minus plus. Therefore here 13 upon 18. And Q3 is equal to 1 minus Q2, and that is 1 minus 13 by 18, that is equal to 5 by 18. Means Q2 is equal to 13 by 18 and Q3 is equal to 5 by 18. Then value of game is A11 into A22 up minus A12 into A21 upon नीचे का वही रहेगा A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21, that is equal to 12 multiplied by 5, 16 minus 0 multiplied by minus 1, 0 upon 18, that is equal to 16 by 18, and 6 से divide किया तो 10 by 3. Value of game is 10 by 3. Then write the optimum strategy for the optimum solution for player A and B is S of A is equal to A1, A2, A3, and first row is delete, therefore P1 is equal to 0, and then A2 is equal to 2 by 3, A3 is P3 is equal to 1 by 3. Then S of B is equal to B1, B2, B3, first row is delete, therefore Q1 is equal to 0, and Q2 is 13 by 18, and Q3 is equal to 5 by 18, and value of game, that is equal to 10 by 3. Then again we see the third problem of this method is, this is the third problem. और अभी ये प्रॉब्लम में कौन सा भी एक रो दूसरे रो से या एक कॉलम दूसरे से नहीं डिलीट होता, तो देखो ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है. देन थर्ड प्रॉब्लम फॉर दिस मेथड इज सॉल्व द फॉलोइंग गेम. प्लेयर ए, प्लेयर बी, प्लेयर ए में 4 रो है और प्लेयर बी में 4 कॉलम है. तो फर्स्ट रो का एलिमेंट है 3 2 4 0, सेकंड का है 3 4 2 4 एंड थर्ड का है 4 2 4 0 एंड फिफ्थ रो का एलिमेंट है 0 4 0 8. And then solve this game by dominance method. First write the solution. Solution in the given pair of matrix is written as, first write the matrix player A, player B, 4 row hai, therefore here A1, A2, A3, A4 and 4 column hai, therefore here B1, B2, B3, B4. Then from the above pair of matrix, we observe that the first row is dominated by third row because first row के एलिमेंट क्या है 3 2 4 0 और थर्ड रो के एलिमेंट है 4 2 4 0. फर्स्ट रो के एलिमेंट थर्ड रो से कम है और इक्वल टू है, तो 4 से 3 स्मॉल है, 2 2 इक्वल है, 4 से 4 इक्वल है और 0 0 equals है. Therefore, from the above pair of matrix, we observe that first row is dominated by third row because all the element of first row are less than or equal to the equal to respective element of third row. Therefore, we delete the first row and we get A2, A3, A4 and B1, B2, B3, B4. First row is delete and then A2 के एलिमेंट है 3 4 2 4, A3 के 4 2 4 0 और A4 के है 0 4 0 8. Here again we see that the first column is dominated by third column. First column का पहला एलिमेंट है 3, ये 2 से ग्रेटर है, 4 इक्वल टू है और ये 0 0 इक्वल है. Therefore, first row is dominated by third row. Then we delete the first row. First column is dominated by third column, and thus we delete the first column, and we get the matrix B2, B3, B4, A2, A3, A4, and that is 4 4 2 4 2 4 0 4 0 8. And in this 3x3 matrix we see that no, अब देखो ये कॉलम भी डिलीट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि ये स्मॉल है, ये इक्वल है, दोनों ये इससे ग्रेटर है, ये इक्वल है, लेकिन थर्ड एलिमेंट यहाँ 8 है, यहाँ 4 है, तो ये स्मॉल है, तो नहीं डिलीट कर सकते. इससे भी डिलीट नहीं होता, रो भी नहीं डिलीट होता. तो देन now the above matrix not delete any row or column, then we choose 2 row का एवरेज चूज करो. तो now in the above pair of matrix no single row or column dominated by to the another row or column, but the column second is dominated by average of third and fourth. तो कोई भी रो और कॉलम एक डिलीट नहीं होता है, तो क्या करना है आपको, दोनों का एवरेज, दोनों कॉलम या रो का एवरेज निकाल के उससे कॉलम और रो डोमिनेट करना है. तो हियर वी सेड दैट the column second is dominated by average of column third and fourth, and third and fourth के एलिमेंट है, थर्ड का एलिमेंट है 2, फोर्थ का एलिमेंट है 4. 2 plus 4 divided by 2, that is 3. 6 by 2 means 3. थर्ड का एलिमेंट है 4, फोर्थ का 0, 4 plus 0 4 divided by 2 2, and 0 plus 8 divided by 2 4. Therefore, the column second is delete, then reduce pair of matrix is, तो ये 3 2 4 है और ये दोनों का एवरेज निकाला, ये आए 3 2 4 और ये 3 2 4 से ये सब 3 से 4 ज्यादा है, 3 2 2 है, इक्वल है 3 2 4 और ये भी इक्वल है. तो देन सेकेंड रो इज delete. Then we get the payoff matrix is B3, B4, A2, A3, A4, and here 2, 4, 4, 0, 0, 8. Again, no single row is dominant to another row or column. Then second row है जो 2, 4 वाला ये dominate by average of third and fourth. Third and fourth का average क्या है? 4 plus 0, 4 divided by 2, 2, and 0 plus 8 divided by 2, 4. Therefore, here the average of these two is 2, 4, and this second row के element 2, 4 है. Therefore, second row is dominated by average of 3 and 4. Then second row is delete. Then we get 2 by 2 payoff matrix. That matrix is B3, B4, A3, A4, 4, 0, 0, 8. Then we find the maximin and minimax. मीन्स रो मिनिमा और कॉलम मैक्सिमा. तो पहले रो में मिनिमम एलिमेंट 0, सेकंड में 0, एंड इसमें का जो मैक्सिमम है वो 0 ही आएगा. फर्स्ट का कॉलम का मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट 4, सेकंड का 8 और इससे मिनिमम 4. मैक्सिमम इज नॉट इक्वल टू मिनिमैक्स. Maximum is not equal to minimax, then we see that the clearly given payoff matrix without saddle point, and then optimum mix strategy for player A and player B is given by S of A is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4, and that is P1, P2, P3, and P4. Here first row is first and second row is dominant. Therefore, P1 and P2 is equal to 0. P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 is equal to 1. But first two row are dominant. Therefore, P1, P2 is equal to 0. And for column strategy, S of B is equal to B1, B2, B3, B4. That is Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. Then first and second column is dominant. Therefore, Q1, Q2 is equal to 0. And then Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4 is equal to 1. And first two column dominate. Therefore, Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to 0. Then write the element A11 is equal to 4, A12 is equal to 0, A21 is equal to 0, and A22 is equal to 8. Then by mixed strategy method, find the P3. P3 is equal to A22 minus A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. That is 8 minus 0 upon 12 minus 0. That is equal to 8 by 12. And 8 by 12 means 2 by 3. P3 is equal to 2 by 3 and P4 is equal to 1 minus P3. That is equal to 1 by 3. Then Q3 is equal to A22 minus A12 upon A11 plus A22 plus A21 plus A12. Numerator same रहेगा 12. A22 minus A12, that is equal to 8. Again, this value is equal to 2 by 3. Q3 is equal to 2 by 3. And Q4 is equal to 1 minus Q3, that is equal to 1 by 3. Hence, the optimal strategy for player A and B is S of A is equal to A1, A2, A3, A4, and that is equal to 0, 0, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. And S of B is equal to B1, B2, B3, B4, and that is equal to 0, 0, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. Now, the value of game is equal to V is equal to formula A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21 upon A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. Then put the value 4 multiplied by 8 minus 0 means upon 4 plus 8 minus 0, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 8, that is 32 upon 12. 32 upon 12 means 4 से डिवाइड किया तो आपको 8 by 3 means 2.66. The and player A used optimal strategy for A3 and A4, and player B used optimal strategy B4 and B3 and B4. And these three problem आपने कैसे करने ये भी आपने देख